Hello everyone, this is Yash Sayamsukha. I read in class 9 and I am from Don Bosco School, Liluah. After entering class 9, I felt that I had many difficulties understanding basic topics and both the standard and the pattern of studying was abruptly changed. Till class 8, I used to mug up everything. Every time I used to score in exams, but I felt that the numerical sections cannot be mugged up. During this time, my preparation was not up to the mark. And after a while, I came to know about Impulse IIT JEE. But I was running quite late at the time. But after joining the institute, I realized that here each and every teacher is well organized in their parts. Each subject has an individual teacher to take care upon. They taught us in a way that I felt each and every topic was understood and connected. And the numerical section became very easy to solve. If I had joined this on time, I would have improved much more. So I only want to advise those students who are facing the same difficulties which I faced, they should not waste any more of their time and join the institute. And I am sure that you will be satisfied with the results. Thank you so much.